MSB is a fully integrated mechanical contractor with the ability to do bid and spec, design assist, and design build projects. We are a leader in the Greater Toronto and Ontario area. With a full fabrication shop, we're able to handle diverse projects in-house, starting with the drawing renderings to fabrication and layout drawings to the plasma and full fabrication drawings.
I'm Daryl Weston from MSB Mechanical here at the Pickering Heritage Community Center in Pickering, Ontario. Here we're building a library, multi-purpose space, art gallery, and archives, along with program rooms and concessions, as well as some office space. On the southwest side, we have mostly mechanical space, along with a kitchen, some storage rooms, and a bathroom. On the southeast side, we have a program room, art gallery, a laundry room, and more storage space. Towards the west side, we have the multi-purpose area, which will be split in half into two separate rooms when needed. On the whole north side of the building, we have the big bathroom sets, as well as the main entrance. And on the northeast side, we have mostly archive space, more storage, and some office areas. The log house here at the Pickering Heritage Community Center was built in 1820. We have a full heating system going inside with a boiler, air-to-water heat pump, which is all going to feed up to the unit heaters, as well as the rental rods under all the windows on the exteriors. We broke ground here in April 2024, and we're scheduled for completion for November 2025.